Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three dots, then go to its settings, go to the watermark. So firstly you have to enable watermark, and here you can just enable custom text. So you can enter here your name, your surname, your nickname, or anything you want. I'm gonna enter, oh no, there's limit of only 10 symbols. So if your name is longer than 10 letters, unfortunately. So now let's take some photo to check how this watermark will look like. So here you have my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.